Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Sangeeta's Creation, and this is Sangeeta. Christmas is approaching and like Santa there is a lot for us to do. There is no better time to start planning for all the crowds. I wanted to do something different. I have been busy collecting, gathering all the handmade gift ideas, especially for you and your kids. And if you're looking to avoid spending lot of money, then you are on the right track. I'm coming up with very beautiful, easy, simple DIY art projects that only requires few materials and you will create a beautiful masterpiece. This Christmas craft idea that will add extra festive to your home. I'll be posting 5 DIY per week. Yes, my friends, 5 DIY per week. Isn't it great? This is really a special Christmas season for us. So get the spirit with our unique and easy Christmas craft ideas. For this, subscribe my channel if you haven't so you don't miss any of my videos, and hit the bell button for notifications. Give like, share, comment below what you want to know and what you want to learn. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.